another key that is very important for success is patience. You're not going to succeed at your first attempt 100% of the time. Most of the time you're going to fail. Most people, when they try something new, they fail at it because you're not supposed to be the best at your first attempt. Usually you're pretty bad, and then you work your way up because you have more experience, you practice more and things like that. So if you're not patient and you believe that, oh, I'm gonna start this project and then everything will work out well, within 3 days or after 1 week, it's not gonna work. For example, if you have decided that you want to, let's take the example of the writer again. You want to write a book, a good book, and you want to become a published author. Even if you write your book very quickly, you have all the research done and everything, and it's really, really good. If you're not patient enough, you're just gonna give up quickly. For example, the book is good. Now you're sending it to publishers, but not every publisher would agree with you that the book is good. Oh, I'm not interested in this subject because I already have somebody online with that, in line with that. Actually, I already published a book that talks about that, so I don't want to go there again. You see, even if your product is really good, but because you don't have the patience to share it with enough people and to wait for the results and to believe that the book is actually good and to keep pushing and pushing, it's not gonna go anywhere, and at some point you're just gonna give up. So yeah, just patience is very important. You're not gonna build something that is very important in 3 days. Usually you will need more time to make sure that the foundation is good.